Hey everyone, how's it going? Another Central Vac kit, and this is my Hoover Central Vac. This is a Central Vac power nozzle from Hoover. It's not just from another machine. I used to have a brochure for this, and I can't remember if I still do, but this would have been the top of the line. And this is the top of the line hose with the two switches right there. Interesting about this thing is you can just, if you hit the rug section, you can turn the power nozzle off without any suction. So I guess I could use it to use one of my Hoover brushes to work in like a carpet cleaning powder. And then I have a new old stock Quadriflex. This would have gone to like a Spirit canister, I believe. So I have two new old stock brush rolls for this one as well. That's just dust. So this one leaves really good carpet lines, I think. It grooms the carpet really well, and it's a nice lightweight nozzle. The only thing I wish it did was swivel. You don't really appreciate it until you've had it on another, like I guess what I'm saying is when I'm using my Hoover, I do find myself pivoting the nozzle sometimes, and then when I go to another Hoover nozzle and I forget that I have it there, it never fails that I want it on the one that doesn't have it. So anyways, so here it is. It's really nice. It's a glossy black finish. I'm fortunate enough to have new old stock brush rolls for this as well. Obviously it's dusty from me using it since I got it. So here's the rating plate. The nice thing about the Hoover hose, like my Electrolux hose and even the Beam one, is that it's a wide opening, so it's fairly quiet with the airflow. So I'll go ahead, turn it on, plug it in, and show you a demo of both the power nozzles. So it's really cool to be able to use one of these power nozzles with a central vac. Here's the other Quadriflex one. Bear with me, it's not easy to plug these in one hand. This one's easier than the other one. So you can see, sorry the lighting isn't the greatest, I closed the blinds in the other windows here, but you can see, like every other Hoover power nozzle I have, you can just see it digs down deep on the forward pass, and it leaves those nice little perfectly straight lines there, and when you pull it back it leaves really nice lines too. I mean, it's just a really nice powered nozzle to use, as well as the top of the line Quadriflex. It's just too bad these don't have direct connect at the top handle, and then I would enjoy using them more, but still really cool to have a brand new Hoover central vac power head and a brand new hose. I was lucky enough to come across those, and machines that I'm really glad are in my collection. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know if there's any other Hoover central vac videos out there, so I try and give everyone the opportunity to see it in action. So please let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.